everybody, in this video I'm going to cover the bulk duplicate feature. Bulk duplicating a workshop allows you to quickly schedule many instances of the same workshop into the future, saving you time setting up these courses individually. I've already created my workshop that I'll be duplicating. Please see previous videos in this series which cover creating new workshops. From my workshop view page, I'm now going to come across and select the bulk duplicate menu item. The bulk duplicate page seems very basic at first. There is simply a date column. Selecting a date will add it to the list of new workshop instances to be created, with the data copied from our original instance. We can select multiple dates to create multiple instances. To remove an instance, simply click the delete button on the right. We can also use the Add Field dropdown to customize further data on an individual instance basis. By default, they will copy from the original workshop. However, if you need to make some changes or exceptions, it's extremely simple to do so. To remove a field, use the grey delete icon in the heading of the column. Once you've finished modifying the information for the instances to be created, hit Submit to create them. You'll receive a success message with the number of instances that were created. In summary, this video has demonstrated how the bulk duplicate feature works in aXcelerate. The following video will demonstrate how to bulk update workshops.